friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today I'm going to do a Color Street video. I don't know if anyone has heard of this Color Street, but I've been using it for like a year and a half or so since I actually went to the salon and got my nails done, which I still like to do. I like to go get them shaped and everything, but Color Street, I don't sell it or anything. My aunt does, and I'll leave her link below for her website if you're interested in it. But it is real nail polish strips, 100% real nail polish strips. And they're just super easy to put on. You can put them on the go. I'm tearing into it right now. And yeah, I needed to do my nails today, so my husband actually was like, why don't you do a video for it? I was like, that's a great idea. So the color we're going to do today is Mount Crushmore. So this was one of their Valentine's Day inspired colors, and I'm a big fan of all of their glitter nails. I just feel like it stays on longer. It hides imperfections if you're new to doing it. But yeah, so there's 2 strips in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different sizes. They're double-ended, so I'm going to use this end for one and then flip it over, do the other hand. So you can reseal these with your straightener. The plastic packages, it's awesome. And I think this was $13 for this, and I'm going to use it twice, so that's $7 to get your nails done. $6.50, whatever. So yeah, it comes with the strips, the double-ended strips. Comes with a nail file. Look at that cute kind of mermaidy nail file there. And it comes with an alcohol pad, because I'm going to tear into that right now. You want to make sure you get any oils or anything from your skin, or if you had lotion on during the day, you want to get that off your nails so that it adheres better to them. So I'm going to do that real quick. Get all that off there. And yeah, and then I think we're just going to zoom in on my hands pretty much for the rest of the video, and I'll show you guys how to put them on. Also, it does have the instructions right on the package when you tear it open. It has all the instructions right there for putting them on. So, couldn't be any simpler. Okay, so we have our 2 strips. We're only going to use one, like I said, because they're double-sided. So we're going to put one away. And we have our cute little nail file there. So you can kind of just go through and kind of shape your nails before you do them. I kind of already did that when I took my previous nail polish off the other day, or Color Street nails I should say, though it really is just nail polish. So yeah, so I'll show you how to do kind of the pinkies in the first few, and then we'll kind of just speed through it. So, because I don't use the first smallest one because my nail bed's a little too big for it, so I go to the next size up. And you take off just this little plastic adhesive part that says peel off. And yeah, it's so easy, you guys. And then this next part here, just peel that off as well. And you're just left with the nail polish part. Take off this little tab there. And you just line it up with your nail, you guys. So you don't want to put it, you kind of want to make sure your cuticles are pushed back. You can get an actual cuticle pusher, or if you're like me and you lost all of yours, you just use your thumbnail. Your thumbnails are your biggest tools while doing the Color Street nails. So you just kind of line up the edge with where your cuticle starts, / stops, whatever. And okay, so that's going on a little bit crooked. You know what? That's okay. I'm just going to peel it back up because it's not set yet. And just go for it again. Kind of start with the side there. And then if you like where it's positioned, just kind of start pressing it on. And start pressing on the other side. And that's it. No, I'm just kidding. You're going to use this other side for your other hand. So yeah, just kind of firmly press down on there. You're going to use your thumbnail and find the edge of your nail. And you're just going to kind of press down underneath your nail. Right there. Look at that, you guys. We already got one done. You use the nail file and you can just kind of This is how I kind of do it. I just file off the excess like that. And we have a pretty, pretty nail. What? Anywho. And next we'll do the other hand. So same thing. Just gonna line it up on the side there. Position it where I want it. Firmly start pressing down. If a strip's a little too big for your nail, you can just kind of use your thumbnail, press into the crease there between your finger and your nail, and then you just peel that off, you know, cut into it with your nail. You can even pinch the end part here. I don't know if you can see that very well. Pinch that, fold it over your nail, and yeah, the excess is gone. There we go. Use your little emery board, if you will. Yep. Push it on down in there. Look, we got 2 done already. Alright, so I'm going to kind of speed through the rest of these guys for you. Alright guys, we're almost done. I only got, you know, if you've noticed, I didn't do exactly the same nails for each strip. Sometimes you have just like a little bit excess if one of your nails is long, you know, longer than the other side of things. So yeah, I'll just like kind of put it where it fits best with my nail length at the time, you know. So yeah, it's this easy, you guys. I love it. Alright, just the thumbs are left, so yeah, you guys. Yeah, I mean, really, just the thumbs left now. Alright, so that's it, you guys. So what I like to do with all the, you know, plastic and the trash and stuff that you peel the strips off of, I put them right back in the little case that the nails come in. And I just treat that as like my little trash can, and I just throw that whole thing away so there's not a bunch of pieces everywhere. So we'll do that. Put all those away. It's all cleaned up. Right back in the package. And then the other side of the strips. So look, I still have this whole thing of strips. Some extras from the one I just did. So you can totally, you know, do this color again. It's not like a one and done thing. And I like to kind of just like, you know, take them apart and put them back in the plastic wrap that it came in. Or if you have like a food saver, you can use the food saver bags, like cut your own size and then not shrink wrap, but you know, like suck the air out of it. And yeah, you can store them that way too. If you don't want to, you know, use your flat iron to seal this back up. But I just put all the things back in here. I use my flat iron and I heat it up and I just kind of clamp just the end part until, I don't know, maybe like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and it seals it back up. So got a whole nother set of nails there. Alright friends, so yeah, there we have it. There are my little nails for the day. And this will last me like at least 10 days. Like at least. They also make the color, it's not really a color, but it's called Clear as Day. And you can put that over the color that you choose. And that helps it stay longer too. So, yeah man, check them out. That's it. That's it. I'm done with my nails for the day. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Color Street, I'm going to put my Aunt Martha's link down below, and that'll take you to her Color Street website, and you can just peruse, you know. They have buy 3, get 1 free deals, and they have French manicure ones too that are buy 1, get 1 free, so it's really awesome. I usually get like 4 sets for like 40 bucks, because I always pick the glitters that are like different prices, but yeah. Check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time.